The number one question, how long does it take to cook a brisket? I swear to God, you don't know how many times I get this question. How long? How long? Fucking how long? I don't fucking know. There's no specific time or temperature. So the number one tip I'm going to give you is start your brisket early. I would suggest giving yourself an hour per pound. So if you have a 12-pound brisket, give yourself 12 hours to cook the brisket, 2 hours to prep. That means trim, get your smoker up to temp, all of that. Give yourself 2 hours. And then give yourself 2 hours rest time. I got a brisket on the Bronco, 15 pounds, not even 12 hours yet. Check this shit out. Look at this thing. It's in the foil boat. It's done. How do I know it's done? Well, we're going to use our thermometer. And I don't care what temperature it is, so I'm not even going to turn this on. We're looking for probe tender. This thing is going in and out like butter. The point is always going to be probe tender after a certain amount of time. What you want to focus on is the flat and the edges around here. So the edges are probe tender. Right here is good. Now it's time to rest. I don't know what temperature it is. I know it's less than 12 hours since this brisket's been put on. I know it's ready. Stop asking for absolutes.